Alright guys, I was servicing the tranny on one of my trucks today, my beautiful restored extended cab, and I decided to do a little video to show you guys what I do when I service a 4L80E. I don't like to reuse the pan gasket. Even when it's a reusable pan gasket, I don't like to reuse it too many times. This one's been reused like maybe 3 times since I've had the truck. I replaced it, I think, when I first got it. And I got an ATP one. It's an aftermarket one, but I've had pretty good luck with them. They don't leak. And they just have this little gasket that's kind of in the groove of this plastic. And these are metal inserts, so you can't over tighten it and bend the pan itself. This is a Wix filter. I bought the filter and the pan gasket separately. That's the Wix part number. I like the Wix filters. They usually work pretty good. They're a good name in filters, even though this one's made in Taiwan. Let's see if I put that over there, put this over here, and this is the filter seal right here. And you should replace that every time you do the. Let me see if there's a part number on this. Yeah, there is a part number. I think that's the part number right there. Let's see where this is made. Made in Taiwan too. Must be a good Taiwan company. So that's what I like to use for my stuff, just because it works better. Let me just see if I have the special tool. Yes, I do. So this is a piece of pipe for just like, I want to say this is 1/2 inch. I'm pretty sure it's 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch pipe. But what you do with this piece is you can thread it right into the old seal, like so. Oop, right in. You can usually thread it in and then get it to come down. That one's not very old, and you can just thread it up in there. And you can either make something to go on the end of this, or what I like to do, I just grab it with a pair of channel locks with that they come on this. You can get an adapter to go on your little slide hammer, different size slide hammers they come with. That one's like a 5 pound or something like that. It's overkill for getting this little thing out, but it works. And I use this piece on do my tranny rebuilds. I pull the filter seals out with that, because that seal, if you don't have a good seal around this piece right here, it's like having a little cut in the middle of a straw when you're trying to suck up a milkshake, you know, especially when that fluid's real thick. It just does not want to come up into the tranny, and then you got aeration in the fluid, and then you burn the tranny up. The bearings will go first, and then the clutches will go next. So hope you guys like this little video. Gave you some part numbers and show you. I'm obviously going to clean. I mean, it's pretty clean fluid, but I'm obviously changing the fluid no matter what. I never reuse fluid. Tons of people say, oh, it's not that old, so I'm going to reuse it. This gasket was just leaking a little bit. If the truck sat for a long time, it would just have a little puddle. So I'm just swapping it out for quick measure. Make sure that's it. It's either this or the dipstick tube seal, but I'm pretty sure it's this, the way that it was leaking. So just a little bit of maintenance for the truck today, and hope you guys like the video, you know. And I'm buying all these parts myself. None of these companies are sponsors. I'm not e-begging from anybody for free parts like some 6'5" people. So like this video if you found it interesting. Share it if you think your friends would like to see it, or if they need any information out of this video, and subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks guys. See you later.